This assessment asks us to suggest a synthesis of this ketone from this alkene in 4 steps using a cuprate reaction. What cuprate reaction can we use to form this ketone? Well, ketones can be formed when a cuprate is reacted with an acid chloride. So if I had an acid chloride, I could turn the acid chloride into this ketone. An acid chloride is made from an acid, but I don't really have any ways to turn an alkene into a carboxylic acid. But I do know how to turn an alcohol into a carboxylic acid, and I know how to turn an alkene into an alcohol. So I can use that strategy to form this product. So I'm going to start with this alkene, and I'm going to add an alcohol to the least substituted side, the terminal side of the alkene. That means I'm going to do the hydroboration reaction, starting with BH3, followed by base and peroxide. That will form a primary alcohol at the terminal side of this alkene. I then want to oxidize this alcohol to a carboxylic acid using chromic acid. That's usually done with water and acetone as a solvent. And that oxidizes the primary alcohol to a carboxylic acid. To turn the acid into the ketone using a cuprate reaction, I need to turn the carboxylic acid into an acid chloride. And I can do that with thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride turns a carboxylic acid into an acid chloride. And then finally, I can make my desired ketone by reacting with the cuprate. I want a phenyl group, so I would want to use diphenyl cuprate with a quenching step to complete the reaction. This 4-step sequence will form this ketone from this alkene.